What's up mga pops, mga mams? Welcome back to my channel. Whew. So yeah, same routine. Pag day off, pupunta tayo ng Taguig. Wala pang ride. Actually, isa dun sa mga tropa ko is planning a ride to Pililla this weekend. Unfortunately, hindi tayo makakasama kasi nga may pasok. So priority pa rin naman natin yung hanap buhay natin kasi especially in this situation, kailangan natin ng pagkakakitaan or mapagkakakitaan. Napaka-relaxing talaga mag-ride tuwing morning, especially in the early hours. Mga ganitong oras, hindi pa ganun ka-traffic. Tapos sarap sa pakiramdam ng hangin. So yan, takbong chubby lang tayo kasi enjoy natin yung biyahe. Salamat nga pala guys sa mga nanood doon sa first vlog natin. Sobrang salamat sa panonood at sa pag-subscribe. So this time, what I'm gonna discuss is yung first impression ko dito sa motor. So as you may know, doon sa mga nakapanood ng first vlog natin, halos wala tayong experience when it comes to manual transmission or fully manual transmission when it comes to motorcycle. So yun, nung first time ko siya masakyan, napaka-intimidating ng motor na to, though it's only 150cc, but the looks of the TFX 150, man, so parang big bike talaga yung itsura niya. Though it's not that big, yung footprint niya, it's not that big, but it gives you an impression na it's bigger than it looks because of the tires, because of the angles nung design. So yun, napaka-intimidating niya nga sakyan. Actually, nung nag-test drive ako, hindi ko kasi siya na video, pero nung nag-test drive kami, mas pinauna ko pa yung tropa ko mag-test nitong motor. Kasi nga na-intimidate ako, just in case na sumemplang, siya muna. Peace, joke lang pre. So yun, siya muna yung pinatry ko kasi na-intimidate nga tayo dito sa motor na to, and wala pa tayo masyadong experience when it comes to manual transmission. So inobserbahan ko muna siya kung anong klase, paano magre-react yung motor sa kanya. That way alam ko, or kumbaga alam ko na yung expect when it comes to throttle response, yung bitaw ng clutch by just looking at him. So yun, thankfully na naman tayo, nagawa naman natin ng maayos yung pag test drive, hindi naman tayo sumemplang. Yun, one of the questions that I have read online is if this motorcycle is beginner friendly nga ba. So for me, coming from no to minimal experience at all, I can say na napaka beginner friendly naman itong motor. Mabait siya. So though nasa Turkish ride siya when it comes to acceleration, kasi though wala pa akong masyado na-try na motorcycle, I've tried fully automatic motorcycles, and then yung Sigma 250 nung tropa natin. So hindi ko naramdaman yung ganong jerk pag nagkakamali ka. So pag nakakalimutan mong, unang-una naka quick throttle pa tong TFX 150. So napakabilis niya mag-accelerate. So yun, mabait nga siya sa mga beginner, as long as practicing nyo muna yung wrist control nyo. So when it comes to braking, it takes a little bit of practice since wala nga tong ABS. So talagang papakiramdaman mo yung motor mo kung ano yung skidding point niya. So over time naman, natansya ko na kung hanggang saan yung limit nung brakes ko. So never pa tayo na hindi naman never, actually once naka-experience tayo na mag-skid, pero naagapan naman natin because we're driving defensively naman and responsibly at my current skills, kumbaga. So over time pwede naman siguro tayo magkamote mode, pero that's the last of our priorities. Gagawin natin yun pag walang ibang tao sa kalsada. So kumbaga may madidisgrasya man, tayo lang. So sabi ko nga dun sa last vlog ko, when it comes to driving, always keep your egos in check, and of course drive at your skill level. So since baguhan pa din naman ako, normal naman maka-experience ng mga epic moments na nakakahiya talaga. One time nga nung kinukuha ko yung yung clearance nito sa HPG sa Camp Karingal, traffic light. Tapos nung mag-go, hindi ko na siya mapatakbo, namatay pa yung makina, hindi ko na siya ma-on. So yun na nga, tinulak natin siya papunta ng gilid bago natin madiscover kung paano siya ma-on. Siguro that time, it was only like a week na dinadrive ko tong motor. So yan, mga noob mistakes nga. Pero I believe naman nangyayari naman yun sa lahat. So it's something na hindi naman dapat natin ikahiya. So yun, the next is driving position. So siguro, I know madami ng reviews nito, and based on the reviews, the riding position is upright. So yun, tama nga naman, napaka-relax nung driving position niya. Though may nafe-feel pa rin akong pressure sa wrist ko, kasi you'll still have the tendency na sumubsob. Though ginigrip ko na nga ng thighs ko yung tank. So still, there's the tendency na yung riding position is, pero very very slight lang, very aggressive yung, medyo aggressive yung position. But I like how it rides, kumbaga. So I like the position. Never ko pa naman na feel na sobrang uncomfortable yung pag-ride natin. Woo! Napakaganda ng umaga. Nasa syudad pa tayo nito. What more kung makalabas na tayo. So ano pa ba? So for beginners, ano pa bang tinitingnan or naisip ko na kumbaga yung as beginner, limited pa yung ano mo eh, limited pa yung mga nararamdaman mo when it comes to riding your motorcycle. It's just down to the basics, yung papandarin mo, pagsakay mo. So it's more on the acceleration, braking, and then yung ride comfort. So if you have questions guys na with regards to the motorcycle, so yun guys, if you have questions with regards to the motorcycles, so I'm not an expert by the way, so I can only answer yung mga very basic question about the experience sa TFX 150. So that's the only thing that I can answer, para ayoko naman magbigay ng maling information into something na hindi naman natin alam. But definitely we're growing as a rider, so nag-aaral naman tayo, nagtatanong tayo sa mga taong mas nakakaalam, kaya over time malalaman din natin yung mga very important knowledge when it comes to motorcycles and riding. And yun, kung sino yung nakanotice pala dun sa last vlog ko, I was about to show you the montage nung first upgrade ko nung nitong motor. So yun, hindi ko napansin, hindi ko pala siya nalagay. So for those guys na looking forward to ano nga ba yung first modification na ginawa natin sa motor, so here's it. So that's it guys, yun na nga yung first upgrade natin sa motor, yung decal. So as you may notice, very basic lang naman yung pinalagay natin, almost stock yung design. So magpapalit na lang tayo over time. I just wanna check kung ano nga ba yung quality nung decals nung napuntahan, nung malapit sa amin. Wala, nahirapan kasi ako talaga maghanap ng maglalagay ng decals during that time. So kakatapos lang yata nung ECQ. So yan, that's it for this vlog. I hope you support this channel. Thank you very much. If you like this video, you can click like and subscribe. Peace.